In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Pine Editor in TradingView. If you're new to TradingView, Pine Editor is the built-in area where you can create, view, and edit Pine Script, which is the scripting language used for indicators and strategies on the platform. The good news is that opening it is very simple once you know where to look. To get started, go to TradingView in your web browser. Once the site loads, look for the Products menu and click on it. This is where TradingView groups its main tools and features, and it's the easiest place to begin if you're trying to access the charting interface. Once you are inside, you'll want to make sure you're in the chart view because that's where Pine Editor is available. If you're following along on screen, just give the page a moment to fully load so all of the side panels and chart tools appear properly. This makes it easier to find the editor without missing anything. Next, look over at the right-hand sidebar and find the Pine icon. This is the shortcut that gives you access to Pine-related tools and the editor itself. Depending on your screen size or layout, the icon may appear slightly different, but it should still be located along that right side panel. After you find it, click on the three dots. This opens additional options connected to the Pine editor. These extra settings are useful if you want more flexibility in how you work, especially if you're writing or reviewing code and want a bit more space on your screen. If you want to code on a separate monitor, click the More button, which is the three dots in the top right corner of the Pine editor, then select the option to open the Pine editor in a new window or in a new tab. This is a helpful feature if you prefer to keep your chart visible in one place while editing your script somewhere else. It can make your workflow much more comfortable, especially for longer scripts or when comparing chart behavior with code changes. You can also edit the script title. This is useful for keeping your work organized, particularly if you plan to create multiple indicators or test different versions of a script. Giving each script a clear title makes it much easier to find later. And that's it. Once you've opened the Pine editor, you're ready to start working with scripts directly inside TradingView. If you're just getting started, take your time exploring the layout so the editor feels familiar before you begin coding.